Look at this question. This is one of the most common questions in English. How do you answer this question in your first language? In my first language, I would translate it to is good. But in English, we don't say is good. We say it is good. And we don't say is bad. We say it is bad. I'm going to teach you how to say and write full sentences starting from zero. And we're going to do it step by step. In this lesson, we're going to start with the subject. To be more exact, we're going to talk about the subject pronouns. These are the subject pronouns, and they are divided in two categories, singular and plural. Singular means one. When you're talking about yourself, the first person, you're going to say I. I am a teacher. When you are talking to another person, singular, that is what you call second person. You. You are my student. You are learning English. When you have a singular male, that is what you call he. He is my friend. When you have a singular female, you say she. She is my neighbor. And when you are talking about something that is not a human being, we usually say it. It is my phone. When we're talking about two or more, we're going to use plural nouns. So if you're talking about yourself, first person, and somebody else, we say we. If you're talking to somebody else, but in the plural, two people, three people, four people, you say you are my students. You are learning English. And when you're referring to two or more people, you say they. They are my colleagues. Now it's time to practice. What is the subject? In English, a sentence is usually made out of two parts. The subject, who or what are we talking about, and the rest is saying something about the thing or the person, and this is called the predicate. The subject can be a noun, a person, place, or thing. For example, if you look at these sentences and you ask who, you can find the subject. Who is my friend? Ismael is my friend. What is open? The mall is open. What is interesting? The books are interesting. However, we can replace those nouns using subject pronouns. So I can say, Ismael is my friend, or he is my friend. The mall is open, or it is open. The books are interesting. They are interesting. English speakers use nouns and pronouns all the time, so this way they don't repeat the same thing over and over again. It's a very basic skill that all English speakers should do. A very simple example is the following. Ismael is my friend. He is funny. The mall is open. It is full. The books are interesting. They are amazing. So how do we use pronouns in everyday conversation? Easy. Many of the questions that we ask every day are answered using pronouns. So when you look at me and say, "Who are you?" The answer is, "I am a teacher." Who is the teacher? He is Profesor Sarmiento. And where is the book? It is on the table. And where are the cats? They are on the bed. So in conclusion, today we started with the first piece that we're going to need in order to make full sentences. I need you to memorize all of the subject pronouns because we use them to answer questions, to talk about ourselves, and to talk about our friends. And that is all for today. If you want to continue learning step by step and you want to start from zero, I want to invite you to follow me. We're literally going to learn how to make full sentences, piece by piece. Every week, we're going to post new material, and I want you to practice along with me.